Hello students, I hope that all of you are fine. Today let us know more about integers. First we will learn addition of the integers with the same sign. Let us know how to add the integers with the same sign. Example 1, plus 8 plus 9. Here plus 8 and plus 9 are the positive integers. Usually we don't write the plus sign for the positive integers, but I wrote because for you to understand. Usually we write this way, 8 plus 9. Here the sign is not mentioned, but 8 and 9 are the positive integers. Let us continue the sum according to the steps. Step 1. Take the absolute value of the each integer. Let us find out the absolute value of the given integers. The absolute value of plus 8 is 8. Next number plus 9. The absolute value of plus 9 is 9. Absolute value is the distance from 0 to given number. Let us check the absolute value of plus 8 on a number line. Plus 8 is here, 0 is here. The distance from 0 to plus 8 is 8. That is the absolute value of plus 8. Next, let us check the absolute value of plus 9. 0 is here and plus 9 is here. The distance from 0 to plus 9 is 9. That is the absolute value of plus 9. Now we will move according to the step 2. Add the absolute values. Let us add the absolute values of the given integers. The absolute value of plus 8 is 8 plus the absolute value of plus 9 is 9. Put it in the bracket. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. Observe the third step. Keep the same sign. It means we have to write the same sign in the answer. Observe the given integers. Both the integers are positive integers. They got the plus sign. So write the plus sign in the answer. The answer is plus 17. It is as same as 17. Look at the second example, minus 7 plus minus 3. Here both the integers are negative integers. Both the integers got negative sign, minus sign. Let us continue the sum according to the steps. Step 1. Take the absolute value of the each integer. So let us find out the absolute values of the given integers. Okay, the first number is minus 7. Its absolute value is 7. Observe the number line. 0 is here, minus 7 is here. The distance from 0 to minus 7 is 7. That is the absolute value of minus 7. Next, let us find out the absolute value of minus 3. It is 3. Observe the number line. 0 is here, minus 3 is here. The distance between 0 to minus 3 is 3. That is the absolute value of minus 3. Now move according to the step 2. Add the absolute values. Now let us add the absolute values of the given integers. The absolute value of minus 7 is 7 plus the absolute value of minus 3 is 3. Put it in the bracket. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Now observe the step 3. Keep the same sign. It means we have to write the sign of the given integers in the answer. Here both the integers got negative sign, minus sign. So the answer also gets minus sign. The answer is minus 10. Students, one thing remember in the mind, when you add the integers with the same sign, simply add them and keep the same sign in the answer. Observe here, positive plus positive, the answer gets positive sign. Negative plus negative, the answer gets negative sign. In both the case, we have to add the numbers. Now we will learn addition of the integers with the different signs. Let us know how to add the integers with the different signs or unlike signs. Observe the example 23 plus minus 18. Students, the first number is 23. It is positive number. And the second number is minus 18. It is negative number. Here the given integers got different signs, unlike signs, so we cannot add. We can subtract. So let us follow the steps and continue the sum. Step 1. Take the absolute value of the each integer. So let us find out the absolute value of the given integers. The first number is plus 23. Its absolute value is 23. The second number is minus 18. Its absolute value is 18. Now follow the second step. Greater absolute value minus smaller absolute value. It means we have to minus the smaller absolute value from the greater absolute value. Here the smaller absolute value is 18 and the greater absolute value is 23. So 23 minus 18. Put it in the bracket, is equal to 5. Observe the third step. Copy the sign of the integer with the greater absolute value. The integer with the greater absolute value is plus 23. Write the sign of this number in the answer. So it is plus 5. Therefore, 23 plus minus 18 is equal to plus 5. It is as same as 5. Let us see the second example. Minus 13 plus 7. Here the first number minus 13 is the negative number and the second number 7 is the positive number. Students, here given integers got different signs, unlike signs. So we cannot add them. We can subtract. Let us move according to the steps. Step 1. Take the absolute value of the each integer. So let us find out the absolute value of the given integers. First number is minus 13. Its absolute value is 13. Second number is plus 7. Its absolute value is 7. Now move according to the step 2. Greater absolute value minus smaller absolute value. It means we have to minus the smaller absolute value from the greater absolute value. Here the smaller absolute value is 7 and the greater absolute value is 13. So 13 minus 7, put it in the bracket, is equal to 6. Observe the third step. Copy the sign of the integer with the greater absolute value. We have to copy the sign of the integer with the greater absolute value in the answer. Observe the absolute values. The greater absolute value is 13. The integer with the greater absolute value is minus 13. So, we have to write the sign of the number with the greater absolute value in the answer. So, the answer is minus 6. Therefore, minus 13 plus 7 is equal to minus 6. Students, when you add the integers with the different signs, remember that you cannot add them. You can subtract. After the subtraction, in the answer, write the sign of the integer which has greater absolute value. Observe here, positive plus negative, negative plus positive. In both the situation, we cannot add the numbers. We can subtract. In both the case, the answer gets the sign of the integer which has greater absolute value. Dear students, I hope that you have learned the addition of the integers. All of you complete the given homework without fail and send the photo of your homework to the concerned teachers by tomorrow morning before 9. Thank you.